Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Teen Corner. I of course am your resident Teen Services librarian, Miss Rachel, and this craft tutorial video is part of Morley Library's winter reading program, which starts January 11th, 2021 and runs for 4 weeks. We have a limited number of Peppermint Sugar Scrub take and make kits available for teens and adults to pick up at our drive-through window. And of course, if you're interested in picking one up, please give us a call at Morley Library. Now, today's video I'm going to show you how to make your very own peppermint sugar scrub. These sugar scrubs are great for exfoliating your skin and leaving it really nice and soft. These can make great year-round gifts for your friends or family, or for yourself as an at-home spa day. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, we're going to gather up all of our ingredients. Okay, so the ingredients you will need are as follows: 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of coarse sugar, a few drops of peppermint oil, about 6 to 7, just depending on how fragrant you want your peppermint sugar scrub to be, a glass jar to put it all in when we're finished. You will also need a microwave and a microwave-safe bowl and a spoon. Now that we have gathered up all of our ingredients, let's go ahead and start making our peppermint sugar scrub. So, step 1, you're going to take your coconut oil and you're going to put it in your microwave-safe bowl, and you're going to microwave it for about 15 to 30 seconds, and the solid coconut oil will then become a liquid. Step 2. Once you have melted your coconut oil, it should look more like a liquid, and you want to let that cool for about 4 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Now that our coconut oil has had a few minutes to cool down, but it is still in liquid form, we are going to add in our 1/2 cup of sugar, and we're going to add in our peppermint oil. Now, once we've added those two ingredients, we're going to mix it all together until it's nice and evenly distributed, till all the ingredients are a nice consistency, and it almost kind of looks like snow, so I guess that's kind of appropriate. It's kind of neat, actually. So now, on to our final step, step 4. And now, on to our final step, step 4. We're going to take our mixture here, and we are going to add it into our glass container. I'm going to add it very, very carefully so we don't spill any. And then put the lid on, and you are all set and ready to enjoy your new peppermint sugar scrub. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching my DIY peppermint sugar scrub tutorial video today, and I look forward to seeing you all next time at the Teen Corner. And until then, happy winter reading!